Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give you unbiased review on another online portal, that is comstrelay.com. So if you are curious to know about this website, as people from United States are very curious to know about the legitimacy of this website, so let's check out the detail. It is a global online store that delivers the latest fashion apparel to you. They have dresses, tops, bottoms, shoes, accessory, abaya and kaftan, jumpsuits and other dresses for women and young ladies. As claimed on the website, they refine trends, bring exceptional quality and design excellence to satisfy the needs of every aspiring fashionista. They provide all the retail latest product with splendid customer service for everyone. But before making any online shopping nowadays, you must check out the legitimacy of the store. So let's begin with this store. It is HTTP store website. It was created on 13th October 2020. Therefore, it has a domain age of 10 months and 6 days. The email address which they have mentioned is matching the domain name, and it is a positive sign. But unfortunately, they have not mentioned their contact details, but they have mentioned their official address. They are accepting different payment methods, and if you want to return and refund the product, it's need 14 days of after its receipt, and refund will be issued through the original payment method. The customer can cancel the order before it is shipped. The positive point of using Comstrelay.com are a wide variety of products are here. They have professional customer service via Facebook and email. There is no minimum order quantity. They accept codes and provide discounts. The products are fashionable. HTTPS protocol is detected on this website. The negative point of using Comstrelay.com are the domain age of the website is relatively recent. It does not have a good trust score and image. It contains plagiarized content including photos even. So the question is Comstrelay legit or it is a scam? As we have discussed, it is just 10 months and 6 days old website. Trust score is just 1% and it has a poor Alexa ranking. The photos and other content on the website is plagiarized, that is, it is copied from some other suspicious website. No doubt honest information have been mentioned, but we could not find any authentic information. As far as customer reviews are concerned, it refers to the other section for this. Customer policies are available, whereas address is concerned, no information could be found relevant. While the background and the other information regarding this website seem pretty pleasing, the customer review will be an utter disappointment. There are not many customer reviews or feedbacks available on the internet regarding this website, but we were able to find some on their official Facebook page. Based on these reviews, the company received 1 star out of 5. There are various buyers from United States and other countries that mention that this is a complete fraud website. You should not buy anything from the store and it should not be trusted. Many of them did not receive their order to date and other claims to receive inferior quality product. So as we have discussed all the details, so we are not recommending you at all to buy anything from this store. Moreover, if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please do share your experience from this store. Write in the comment box. We love to hear from you about your experience.